Ready to start a blog? Let's dive in. First question, what do you want to write about? With more than 600 million blogs on the web, you'll need to find a niche. Look for relevant keywords that people are searching for. Now for the nuts and bolts of creating your blog. Look for a platform with strong infrastructure, like secure web hosting and monetization tools. Once you've chosen a platform, you'll choose a blog name, secure a domain name, and select a template. You may also want to add an about page or a contact page, or even a store if you want to sell merchandise. Too many decisions? No worries. You can easily make changes to your blog over time. Lastly, consider creating a logo to turn your blog into a recognizable brand. Submit your sitemap to Google Search Console and set it up to rank. Got writer's block? Start with a broad idea, break it into smaller topics, and then article ideas. This is called topic clustering and is a successful content marketing strategy. Before you hit publish, make sure your blog has a clear, compelling title, headlines and subheadings, original insights and/or actionable tips, images that help support your overarching message, internal links, metadata, keywords, and calls to action. Congrats! You've made your first post. Keep the momentum by publishing 1 to 2 posts per week. Create an editorial calendar to stay on track. Share on social media, guest blogs, and maybe even invest in paid ads. For more tips and tricks, check out the Wix blog.